Hi friends, today I am going to explain how can we say data science libraries are more faster than normal Python code. Okay, I'm going to explain the difference with fetching the records from the database. Okay, so there you can find the time difference between when fetching the records using normal Python code and data science library. So that time we can say that data science libraries are more faster than normal Python code. So before explaining to the data science library, so through the application now I want to explain one library as pandas for couple of minutes. Okay, Pandas is a data science library. So it is the most important and commonly used library in data science domain. Okay. Performance wise and productivity wise, Pandas is too good to use. Okay. Next, we can say that Pandas is both data analysis and data visualization library. Okay. Next, by using Pandas, we can manipulate data very easily with very less code and in very less time. So last point I'm going to highlight with the when fetching the results from the database. Okay. Now shall we start the application? Okay. So up to here I've taken small code for creating connection object and establishing a connection from from the database. Okay. After establishing the connection, I want to create cursor object. Cursor, create cursor object. Cursor, con dot cursor. Cursor is equal to connection dot cursor. Next, we need to execute the query using cursor object. Cursor dot execute of query. So directly I'm taking the query. Select star from EMP. Next, I want to fetch the result. So rows is equal to cursor dot fetch all. Okay. Next, after fetching the result, I need to display the result, right? So display the result. Okay. For row in rows. Print. I need to print the columns. Or row of 0, comma row of 1. So I will take. So I'm taking row of 0, row of 1 means in the database after executing this query here it is giving 14 rows with 8 columns. Observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is giving 8 columns. Okay. I need to write 8, 8 rows here. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Row of 3, row of 4, row of 5, row of 6, row of 7, row of 8. So here I want to take the time. So I will take the time here. First of all, I want to import the time from date time, import date time. Next, here before is equal to date time dot now. Okay, here after is equal to date time dot now. Okay, now I just am printing the difference. Time taken to print total records using normal Python code. After minus before. Okay, so up to here taken with the normal code. Okay, now I'm taking with the data science library. So before starting here, just here also I will take data science library to count the time taken to print the total records using data science library. Okay, here df is equal to pd dot read underscore sql underscore query. So here I'm taking query select star from emp. Okay, I'm providing connection object. So we are calling pd, right? So we have to import pd pandas. Import pandas as pd. Okay, now observe query executed, results are in data frame. Just I'm printing data frame. Okay, observe now. Now observe the output. Tuple index out of range. Sorry. So we have to take here only 7. 0, 1, sorry, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now observe the time. So here it is taking 82, but here it is taking 13. So 13 is less than 82, right? So observe the once again I will run the application. So now it is saying 76. So here it is taking 13, but 76 is bigger than 13. So I'm running the application once again. So same time. So 76, but here 14 records. Okay. So by this time we can say that uh, data science libraries are more faster than normal Python code. Okay. Observe the application one more time. Now it is taking 81. Now it is still 33. So data science library is taking less time because here we are printing records every time. So here when the query executed, all records are came into data frame. So just I'm printing that data frame. So by this time all records are here having row of 0, row of 1, row of 2, but here all records are having in data frame. Just direct I'm printing, but here we can't print in this format. So now observe the time again. 0, 0, 1, but here it is not 0, it's 0, 6. So data science library is taking very less time that compared to normal Python code. Okay, this is friends, I want to explain the scenario how data science libraries are more faster than normal Python code. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.